Alright guys, let's get into it. Let's do Project Pan 2020. Starting with my Neutral Mattes palette from Viseart. Basic, matte. I want to do something new for 2020, so this is what we're giving a try. Can I hit any pans? Damn it, I'm gonna try. Next, Lanolips. Lanolips 101 Ointment. It's a multi-purpose Superbalm. You can see I'm about halfway through, maybe, probably more than halfway through. But this is lip therapy. See if I cannot finish it up for this year. Next, again, we have a product from Bare Minerals. This is their Gen Nude lip gloss or lipstick. I don't know what it is. It's in the shade Everything, and it's a great My Lips But Better. Nice and hydrating. Excited to see how far I get with this lip product this year. Throwback from last year, let's try continuing with the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil in Perversion. As you can see, in terms of the words, I'm at and or imported ingredients, and I have maybe a centimeter to hit the 24/7. See if I can't finish it completely. I've got the Josie Maran Argan Matchmaker Serum Foundation. That one's about halfway used up. As well as this Elizabeth Arden Flawless Finish Perfectly Satin. This one's probably about halfway used up, maybe a little bit more, and I'm excited to see if I can power through that this year. We have an exciting product this year. This is Champagne Pop. It's a little sample from Becca. And I don't know how popular highlighting will be this year, but this is an homage to Doug's car, Champagne Poop, and to my cheeks. A beautiful highlight, regardless of any drama surrounding this product. Let's see if I can't pan it. Next, Sephora Mrs. Spicy. You guys, I did so damn good on this thing last year, and I freaking love this blush so much. I'm gonna keep doing it this year, so let's see how good my progress will be. And another stick product here is the Fenty Beauty Matchstick in Amber. The perfect contour for girls with my complexion. I feel like I'm gonna make good progress on that this year as well. It makes highlighting, or contouring I should say, every day super easy and fun to do. And last of all, we have a little sample. It's not actually a sample, it's like a mini size of the Tarte Creaseless Concealer. This is for under your eyes. This is in the shade, doesn't say, 10N maybe. Anyway, I hope to completely plan this little guy as well. Huge shout out to my patrons who help make these videos possible. A huge shout out to you for watching. If you're like, what the hell did I just watch? Project Pan is basically a year-long series where you go and see, I guess your objective is to use up a full product. Obviously, panning can take years, so you might not finish a product in a year, but it's basically just documenting how much you've used and really pushing yourself to completely use up a product before replacing it. So let me know what you guys are doing for Project Pan 2020. Are you doing something similar? Are you over panning? Are you just getting into panning? Let me know. Make sure you watch more videos from me. You can see they're popping up on your screen. Here's what's recommended, and here's my latest video. And with that, I will see you all in my next beauty video. Ciao, Bella.